Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're having a lovely Friday. Today is Friday and I know how much children in Red Base love Fridays. That's why today, because it's our last day of the week, I came here with a special game. But first, let's see if we can do our voices sound. So everybody getting your voices ready? Are you ready? Right, off we go. This time you're gonna do it by yourself. You see it? Right, ready? Amazing. And next one. What's this one, everybody? Fantastic. See what's next. Ready? Fantastic. Well done. Oh, getting your cards ready. Ready? Fantastic. Right. Getting your turn ready. Ready? I love the way how you're doing your actions. Amazing. Well done. And last one. Ready? Fantastic, you have been amazing today at saying your voice sound. Give yourself a round of applause. Well done. So today I came here with a special game. And you know what happened? I forgot all my initial sounds. Do you think you can help me to find my initial sounds? What do you say? Thank you so much. So today I came here with my teddy. Now I wonder what is the initial sound for teddy? Can you say it again? You are fantastic. Well done. Our initial sound for our teddy is t, 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 t. Can you say it again? Amazing. T, 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 t. So we got our teddy here. Well done. And now we also got, what is it, everybody? Fantastic. Snake. Well done. So who knows what is the initial sound for snake? Amazing. Our initial sound is S. What is it, everybody? Good job. S. Amazing. So, hold on a minute. Does snake and teddy begin with the same initial sound? Fantastic. No, they don't. Our initial sound for a snake is S. And the initial sound for teddy is T, 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 T. Right, let's put it all here together. And now we got our, oh, what's this, everybody? Amazing, pig. Now I wonder what is the initial sound for pig? Amazing, can you say it again? Well done, are we all ready to do it together? Pig. Well done, what is it, everybody? Pig. Well done. Now, hold on a minute. Does pig have the same initial sound than snake or teddy? They have the same initial sound. Should we all say it together? Right, ready? Pig. Snake. Teddy. Do they have the same initial sound? You are fantastic. No, they don't. Well done. So, we can put it on pairs because they don't have the same initial sound. Right, let's see one more. Oh, what's this, everybody? Amazing. I love the way how you put your lips together to do your sound. Are we all ready to say the initial sound? Ready? Mmm. And again. Mmm. Why should we all do it together? Mm, 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 mm. Monkey. Now, does monkey have the same initial sound than t, 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 teddy? Or snake? Or pig? Do they have the same initial sound? Fantastic, no they don't. Right, so let's put it here. Oops. Put it on here so you can see. Right, so let's say it again together the initial sound. Ready? T, 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 t. Teddy. Now for the snake. S, 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 snake. For the pig. P, 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 pig. And for the monkey, ready? Mm, 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 mm. Monkey. Amazing. Now, I got here 4 things that I would like you to help me to find the initial sound. So the first is this. What's this, everybody? Amazing, a pen. Now, hold on a minute. What is the initial sound for pen? Have a think. What is the initial sound for pen? You are amazing and your phone is well done. The initial sound for pen is p, 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 p. Do we have something here that begin with p, 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 p? Have a think. So we got here p, 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 pen, t, 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 teddy, snake, s, 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 snake, the pig, p, 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 pig, and the monkey, monkey. Who has the same initial sound than p, 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 pen? Well done. Yes, they do. So we got our p, 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 pig and our p, 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 pen, and they both have the same initial sound. Amazing. So let's put it together. There you go. Now I got here a what's this, everybody? Amazing. It's a mug. Well done, everybody. What's the initial sound for mug? Well done. It's It's not m or We're gonna put our lips together. Mug. Well done. Now hold on a minute. I know someone here has the same initial sound. Can you help me to find who has the same initial sound than mug? Is it gonna be t, 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 teddy? No. Is it gonna be the snake? No. Is it gonna be the monkey? Should we have a look? Monkey and mug. Do they have the same initial sound? Fantastic. Yes, they do. So let's put it here together. We only need to find the initial sound for snake and for teddy. You're not gonna believe what I just found. What's this, everybody? Well done. It's a sock. Ooh, it's a smelly sock. What is the initial sound for sock? Let's do it again. Suck. What is the initial sound? Fantastic. Our initial sound is S. Now hold on a minute. I know someone here begin with S sound. Can you help me to find who begin with S sound? Is it gonna be the t, 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 Teddy, or is it gonna be the snake? Who begin with S? Fantastic! The snake. Well done. Can we all do it one more time? Fantastic. We only got out with Teddy. Now I wonder, what is the initial sound for Teddy? Fantastic. T, 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 t. Uh-oh. I don't know if I'm gonna find something that begin with t, 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 t. Let's see. Oh, we got here a cup. Let's see. What's the initial sound for cup? K, 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 k. Does cup begin with t, 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 t? Teddy? No. Let me find something else. What's this, everybody? Amazing. It's a tomato. What's the initial sound for tomato? Should we all do it together? Ready? Tomato. Well done. Does tomato begin with the same initial sound than t, 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 t? Teddy? Yes, they do. So what is the initial sound, everybody? T, 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 t. Fantastic. Oh, so we help all of them to find something that begins with the same initial sound. Remember, today we learn t, 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 s, p, 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 and mm, 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 mm. Well done. Right, remember, you can play at this game at home by using your toys or anything that you can find at home. I wonder if you can tell your mommy or your daddy, your brother or sister, what is the initial sound, and maybe you can take some pictures or some videos and put it on Tapestry, and I can see them. Right, you have been amazing. Thank you for another week of phonics, and I hope you all have a lovely, lovely weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye!